God bless and welcome. Here I make some Christmas confectionaries. Enjoy the process and be blessed. You are also welcome to look at the ingredients below in the description box. And you're also welcome to read testimonies of God's goodness, especially during this Christmas season. Thank you. The ingredients are butter, wholemeal flour, dry yeast, powdered sweet milk, cardamom, sugar alternative, mix the dry ingredients. The butter in the dry ingredients was not melted, but since I was going to add hot water, I just let it be. I also added yogurt at one point. And then kneaded everything together. Finally, I knead the dough with 2 hands to produce a balanced finish. Cover the dough for 10 minutes and let it stand in a warm place. Heat oil in a deep pan at medium temperature. Divide the dough into approximately this size of pieces, ready for rolling out. Roll them out and divide into small pieces. Put them in the oil one by one and let them cook on both sides until golden brown. Here I chose to garnish them with icing sugar for service. God bless. I hope you enjoyed this video and have been inspired. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and come back for more content like this. Merry Christmas, God bless you, and Happy New Year.